Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Honeywell Home app for thermostats, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Honeywell Home app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, you will see the main screen. Locate the sign in button and tap on it. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. If you do not have an account, tap on Create an account to set one up. Follow the prompts to input your details, including your name, email, and a secure password. After creating your account, return to the sign-in page. Enter your email address and password once again. Tap on the sign-in button to proceed. Once logged in, you will be directed to the app's home screen. To connect your thermostat, tap on the Add Device option. Select the appropriate type of thermostat you have. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your thermostat in pairing mode. Make sure your mobile device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your thermostat. The app will search for available devices in range. Once your thermostat appears, select it to continue. You may need to input a confirmation code that appears on your thermostat. Enter the code in the app to authenticate the connection. After entering the code, your thermostat will be linked to your account. Once connected, you can adjust your thermostat settings through the app. Take a moment to explore the app's features and settings. Make sure to check that your thermostat is functioning correctly. Congratulations! You have successfully authenticated your Honeywell Home app with your thermostat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.